Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given 3D objects for engineering application. Here the figure number 12.1. He has given first figure is 3D model, second one is the front view and third one is the left side view. You can develop this 3D model in two different methods. First method you can use extrude or press pull command. Already I have made one video by using extrude or press pull. That video link is available in description. The second method is you can apply the revolve command. Once carefully observe this image, uh, already we learned solids of revolution. Cylinder is the solid of cylinder is the solid, it is the revolution of rectangular plane. Similarly, cone is the solid, it is the revolution of right angular triangle. Sphere is also one solid, it is the revolution of semicircle. So you can apply that concept to this 3D model. Here also one eye section is there. This eye section is somewhat opposite distance there. You can apply that solids of revolution, that concept, to this eye section. You can get this model. Here in this video I am telling how to develop this 3D model in easy way. Just draw the eye section by using this front view and this left side view dimensions. Here the eye section width is 35 mm. This top width is 5 mm. Next top eye width is 15 mm. This vertical portion thickness is 5 mm and other also 15 mm. Coming to the bottom leg, bottom width is 10 mm. Length is also 35 mm. This eye section is 10 mm offset from this axis line. Just simple to use. Just you can draw this eye section in AutoCAD software. Now open this AutoCAD software. Now draw the eye section. Here he has clearly mentioned that develop 3D model. That's why you need to change this workspace. Go to the status bar. Now click on this workspace switching and change the workspace drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. Then draw the then draw this 2D figure. For 3D modeling, you can use only polyline command. Don't use line command. Now take polyline PL, enter. Now turn on ortho mode. Click F8 button. Take polyline command PL, enter. Draw the baseline, that is 35 mm, 35, enter. Bottom eye width is 10 mm, 10, enter. Left 15, 15, enter. This height is 20, enter. Right is 15, 15, enter. Top eye width is 5 mm, left 35 mm. Now top eye width is 5 mm. Next towards right side 15 mm. Next eye vertical length is 20 mm. Next left side 15, 15, enter. Now close this first point. Next draw the axis line, that is 10 mm offset from this bottom edge. Take line command from this point, draw 1 mm, 10 mm, 10, enter. Next draw the horizontal line up to 35 mm. Now delete this line and change this line to otherwise you can leave it. Next, the second important point is go to this workspace. Now change this visual style control from 2D wireframe to realistic view. Then go to this compass. Now click on this home button. Now apply the revolve command, REV enter, the shortcut key for revolve command, REV enter. Now select this I section, then click on enter button. Now give the axis start point. This is my start point and this is my end point. Now revolve. Uh, Now specify the angle of revolution. You can give the 360 degrees. The default one is 360. Now click enter button. After this, now delete this offset line. Here, this is the pulley with web model. This having one key is there. The dimensions are 6 by 3. That is the rectangular key. Now go to this custom model views and choose left side view and also choose parallel view. Here in this custom model views must and should choose parallel view. You can see the exact parallel direction. Now you can draw the one rectangular with the dimension of length is 3 mm, width is 6 mm. Take rectangle command, REC enter. Specify first corner. Next choose dimensions, D enter. Specify length for rectangle, that is 3 enter. Specify width for rectangle 6 enter. Now you can remove this image. You can move this rectangle from by using move tool, M enter. You can move this rectangle from the center point to this quadrant, this object quadrant. Now again go to the compass, click on home button. Now apply the extrude command. Now apply the extrude command to this rectangle. Select this rectangle. Now click enter button. Now drag to other side. Here you can also apply the colors. Just you can select this model, double click on this model and change the color from this bilayer to I am choosing this pink color. We need to remove this rectangle solid from this pulley with web. So for that purpose you can use subtract command, SU enter. Select first model, then click enter. Now select this second model. Now click enter. Now you can clearly observe that. Now you can clearly observe the model. This is the final 3D modeling for the given figure number 12.1. You can rotate that 3D model by using orbit tool. Okay, this is the way to develop any 3D model in easy way. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.